Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting what AT&T will ask for: account number, phone number, account PIN, IMEI, and the SIM number. Once done, open the My AT&T app or website so you can act immediately. Make sure autorefill is off to avoid charges during cancellation. Call from the phone you want to cancel if possible, because identity checks are easier that way. Having a screenshot of your current balance and last payment speeds the process and prevents surprises about remaining service or charges. Once you're connected, state clearly you want to cancel AT&T prepaid service and why. That helps the agent proceed. You will verify identity with your PIN, billing address, or a recent payment amount. If you plan to keep your number, tell them you want to port it. Do this before final confirmation, because cancellation can lock the number. Ask about any prorated refunds or outstanding charges so you know the final balance. Stay calm and repeat account details if asked to avoid delays. After the agent confirms cancellation, get a confirmation number and the effective date. Save a screenshot or note it down. Make sure any autorefill is disabled and check your bank for final charges within a week. Remove the SIM and factory reset the device if you're disposing or selling it. If the process stalls, escalate to a supervisor or request a written chat transcript. Having that proof speeds resolution. Finally, verify the account no longer shows active prepaid service in My AT&T.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.